In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email subscribe form to your Wix website. To begin, open your site in the Wix editor. Go to wix.com, log in, and select the site you want to edit. Click Edit Site to launch the Wix editor. This lets you work safely without affecting what visitors see until you're ready to publish. Now let's add the subscribe form. In the left sidebar, click Add, then navigate to Contact and Forms. Scroll to the subscribe options and choose a layout that matches your style. A slim bar works perfectly in the footer, while a larger box is great for your homepage. Drag your chosen form onto the canvas and place it where it's most visible, such as your homepage banner, footer, or sidebar. You can fine-tune its position and size at any time. Before styling, turn on double opt-in. Click the form, choose Edit Form or Settings, and open the Subscribe tab. Toggle Enable Double Opt-in. This sends a confirmation email so new subscribers verify their address before they're added, which helps protect your sender reputation and supports compliance. Customize the confirmation email text and branding to match your tone, so the experience feels seamless from site to inbox. Next, customize the design and fields. Open the design or paintbrush icon. Make the subscribe button bold and high contrast so it stands out and drives clicks. Adjust fonts, spacing, and background to align with your brand. If you plan to send marketing updates, add a permissions checkbox from Add Form fields under Contact fields. A clear statement like, "I agree to receive marketing emails," sets expectations and supports privacy requirements. With the form ready, set up a welcome automation. Select the form, go to Automations or Form Automations, and choose the suggested Welcome New Subscribers flow. Edit the message to include a warm thank you. If you'd like, add a helpful free resource such as a PDF, checklist, or discount code to reward signups and encourage engagement. Activate the automation so every confirmed subscriber receives your welcome email without any manual steps. Finally, publish and test. Click Publish in the top right to make the form live. On your live site, submit a test email, confirm the double opt-in message when it arrives, and ensure the welcome email follows. Then check your subscribers or forms dashboard to verify the contact was captured correctly. That's all for today. You've added a polished, compliant subscribe form with a ready-to-go welcome flow. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.